Yale Real Living Touchscreen Deadbolt Programming. Delete a user PIN code. Please note, if the lock is connected to a wireless automation controller, it is recommended that it be programmed through the controller to ensure communication between the lock and the controller unit. For this example, we have set the master PIN code to 123456. Touch the screen with the back of your hand or fingers to activate. Enter master PIN code 123456, followed by the pound key to enter the main menu. In menu mode, select 2 for user PIN code registration followed by the pound key. In this example, we will press 3 followed by the pound key to delete a user code.
Delete user code. Press the pound key to continue.
We are only deleting one user PIN code in this example, so we must enter the user location number 1 followed by the pound key for user 1. Then we press the star key to complete the action.
Deleted. Press the pound key to continue. Press the star key to complete. Completed.
User 1's PIN code has been deleted.